Okay, soy John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Biker John, my world of fun wheels, and I'm headed east. I've just crossed over Bel Air, and I'm on Renway, and my goal is to get to Harbor Freight, which is about yet another hour or so east of here. Where I accomplished my earlier mission, which was to get to Navy recruiting. I have some information now for Gerardo, and I went to hand deliver it to him at Wendy's. And I might have to have a little bite at Wendy's. I don't know. Okay, good. This is wide enough of a shoulder for me to use whenever capacity is needed. I'm not totally certain how I'm going to, I'll figure. I'll look at the map later or just go by gut. I don't care. Let's stay out of some of that debris. Always watching for other vehicles using the road. I am taking the lane coming up on this stop, this street light. It's not yet raining. Rain is forecasted in a little while. I'm going to cross Bissonnette, I guess. Okay. And now I'm going to stop and check my map again a little later. But I am, me and my much better half are here in Houston, Texas for a little while, helping out our number one son and most important number one daughter-in-law, and our most important number one grandchildren. It's kind of a for want of better words, a family reunion of sorts on her side. And so we volunteered to come out and help as needed, since we are both retired now. And it was, and we temporarily have an apartment home here in Houston. It's 4 or 5 blocks from where they live. Pretty easy walking distance. I'm just have to watch the road, all the potholes, cracks, debris, which are universal actually, here in Houston, Texas, USA. And I'm eastbound. I'm just going to stay on this for now. Just explore. That's all I'm doing is exploring. But my Franken bike has a kind of an interesting story behind it, if you will. I had I retired after 28 years in the world fastest Sled Independent School District. I retired on 21st December 2017. January, February 2018, I bike toured on my beloved Double Vision over to, my first goal was to get to former colleague, good friend Doug Antrim's home in Grand Falls, Texas. And I started that by going east on Montana US 62 180. And overnighted in fantastic Cornudas. Then on to Del City, where I overnighted. Fantastic Del City, dynamic Del City, which is actually about 15 miles, 24 clicks north of Montana US 62180. It's also access to the Guadalupe Mountain National Park Salt Basin area, and it was absolutely great. Cold, of course, but that's okay. I was well equipped on my double vision, which is really good. This beach nut, I'm taking it right on beach nut. I've never beach nut. I'm taking it right on beach nut. And I have to follow. Okay, stop. Signal, and looks good. Oh, watch out for the potholes and cracks. Okay. And I'm going to take this quite a ways. And I will at some point get parallel to a bayou. So, from Del City, I went back out to the to Montana US 62180 going east. And it was fantastic. I had this incredible tailwind that blew me over, well, blew me across the salt flats. No question about it. It was great. So a great campsite in the shadow of the highest point in Texas, which is Guadalupe Peak. And a good safe camping off of 180, Montana US 62180. And it was, and I said, well, I have to make a decision. Okay, I've already done that. Okay. I've got this guidance thing going, and it's told me to turn around on beach now. I'm already on beach now. Google Maps sometimes can be a little strange. Much of the time it's good. Okay. A U-turn at Ashcroft Drive. Okay. Ashcroft. Not sure what. Maybe I turned the wrong way. I'm going to use Google Maps here. Okay. Make U-turn at Quebec Drive. This is Hillcroft. And I am taking a lane now. Okay, this is a little strange. All right, brother, I'll take a look around. So after, and I thought for a moment, well, it's the middle of winter, and that great tailwind, it could change, but I gambled that it would not change. And unfortunately, I gambled wrong. I lost the bet on that one because at midnight it did change 180 degrees opposite direction. So instead of a tailwind out of the west, it became a strong headwind out of the east. And it took me quite a while to get up Guadalupe Pass. And once I got to the top, which was world headquarters for Guadalupe Mountain National Park, I'm looking to Quebec. I don't know. Good. Thank you for going around me. Limousine are exclusive cleaners. We need to do a duty, I guess, at some point. So I'm going to have to stop and check my map. I see those vehicles on there. That's Dunlop. I just got a signal saying probably should have done a U-turn there. I don't know. Okay. What is this? This is Carlotta. Okay, I'm going to take a U-turn here because I was supposed to do a U-turn on Quebec. Okay, I've done my U-turn now in this direction, taking a lane. Make U-turn at Carlotta Street. I just did that. Okay, those are good shots. How strange this thing is. But I got up to the National Park, Guadalupe Mountains National Park Visitor Center, and I supported the park. I bought a lot of chocolate, basically. National Park chocolate. Okay, so I'm at Hillcroft. I'm going the opposite direction I came in. I'm going to look at the map pretty soon. So I'm at Hillcroft and Beach Nut. Beach Nut, I know, is the road I need. Hillcroft. So but from there, and then I camped at the Texas entrance. And I camped there, and then I went on to into fantastic New Mexico, headed toward Carlsbad. But I knew my goal was White City, because there is an eatery in White City, and I was getting pretty hungry. I have plenty of clean, fresh water. Okay, I'm looking for another instruction here, maybe. Okay, so White City, that's my goal. And I truly made it to White City. And ate, and I loved it. But then I got to Carlsbad, camped in Carlsbad. Okay, this is Pontiac. I don't know. I think I'm still headed into town. I can be out of town. Okay. Gotta watch this road. So, camped Carlsbad, ate at the new house, I think. But it was absolutely great. Good food. I was there quite a while. I was recharging it was a Nokia, I think, cell phone. No, that was the first cell phone I had, the small ones. But I had I don't remember, I guess it was a 6 Plus or something, I don't remember. But anyway, so I was there eating a lot of food, because from there I need to go east. Okay, it says turn right on the Renwick. Okay, I turned off of Renwick, but my instructions said turn right on Renwick, so I'm going to turn right here on Renwick. Okay. And now I go. Okay, this has, I guess I went out of my way too far. So now I'm on, and I keep going. It says turn up down Chisholm Street. Okay, right lane ends. Okay, I'm following the bike route. I just saw the bike route sign. And so I'm going to turn left here, following the bike route sign. Cornell Street, that's it. Darnell Street, okay. Good. Very good. Okay, I think I'm on the right track now, or on the right road. Nice neighborhood. Not a lot of two stories, still single story, ground floor. That's my kind of structure where I don't have to go up and down too many steps. Okay. I don't see any directions otherwise. So I have a stop. And the street is, but then I just continue going this way. Buen dia. Okay, something's coming up because it looks like it ends or it goes into a park or something. Okay. looking good. So, and it's a good thing I ate a lot and I stocked up. I made a plan for the future. I stocked up with some food, future food from Albertsons, because I knew I was going to have to camp out. It's a long way to Hobbs or to Eunice. But my idea was to get to Route 18. Okay. Let's see. Let's praise Mount. Okay. Go ahead and go. And so it was quite a ways on Montana US 621A. And I did indeed camp out. I found a safe spot well off the road. It was on private property though. But the operator came by and she said, "You may camp here. Well, I know what it's like. I'm a triathlete. I know. I sure I'd be gone before sunrise. And I'd be on my way, and I won't disturb anything." Okay, this is it. This is Chimney Rock. I'm going to have to turn right here because it's a one-way street. That's okay too. Okay. Okay, signaling right, turning right. Traffic tuning down here. Okay, I'm following along a bayou. So far, so good. Okay. Okay, good. So after I camped there, I was continuing east on Montana US 62180, and then I came to a Y intersection, and to my right went to Eunice, and I said that's fine because Eunice is on Route 18, which is I'm going to take to Grand Falls, and it was a great road. First 10 miles, absolutely fantastic shoulder, loved it. Okay, I am taking a lane, but I see a couple of vehicles coming up on me pretty fast. Okay. I have to go slow over these patched portions of the roadway. I am looking behind me as much as I am ahead of me. My rear is so important. Plug in my whistle so I can blow warning shots if needed and wave my hands appropriate. But so the next 10 miles on this road was terrible. And there was a lot of 18-wheelers, but those truck drivers are professional road users. Very respectful. The four-wheelers you gotta watch out for. But then the last 10 miles of this route going down to Eunice was absolutely fantastic. Made it to Eunice. Enjoyed it thoroughly because I got food there. It was, I do not remember Food King, Albertsons, it might have been Albertsons, but they had a Subway inside. It was wonderful. Okay, I hear vehicles. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm passing a synagogue. Turn left onto Brays Bayou Grosvenor Street. So there must be okay, it says turn left. I'm signaling left. I'm getting into this left turn here. I think this is correct. North Braeswood Boulevard. Okay, I'll be following along the bayou. I may use a sidewalk. I don't know. But it was, of course, it's bitterly cold at night. And I know how cold it gets because it depends on how much my person's looking at their cell phone and not paying attention to the road. Okay, I see where I'm going. I'm going to get on this sidewalk. Okay. I think this is the correct direction for me to go. That's good. If there were pedestrians using the sidewalk, I would not be using it. But it is very broad, very wide, very nice. Because this is a pedestrian. By the way, I think I see a pedestrian and a dog up ahead. But anyway, I went to the Oil Patch Motel, and they said, well, we're full up tonight with no vacancies. Of course, the oil and gas boom. Okay, now this is not good. And this is part of the bike footpath. What we can see here, then you see it does not continue. It comes grass. I'm not going to use that. No. I'm just down the sidewalks. So, at the Oil Patch, they were great about it. At 1800 sharp, the owner came to me and said, Juanito, I have a room for you. The person who reserved it has not shown up. So you've got the room. And I'm so grateful. And it was just nice not to be freezing that night. Having my water bottle freezing, that sort of thing. I loved it. And that was the point where I was going to go south on Route 18 anyway. And then next community was Jow, and I met the incomparable John Arp there. What a great guy he is. He even bought me brekkie at the diner. But we had a great conversation, and he is such an inspiration for people who want to lose weight, get more physically fit, like me. Then from there, I continued south on. I overnighted in various communities along the way. Went across in Texas, across the top of I-20. Camped, and I love camping. This camping at the Windmill Rest Area. What a great campsite! In fact, okay, let's see what I have here. See, I don't know why I can go underneath that. I'm not going to do that. That's the narrow probably drives that. Okay, let's see what I have here. It's a little ambiguous, but I am on the right thing here. I'm going to get here, and I'm going to wait. Okay, this is how to do it. I think I'm going the correct direction here. There is some overcast. I may not go all the way that I want to go here. I think it's going to rain pretty soon. This is rice. I think I'm going to truncate my journey. I can feel a drop. I think I'm going to truncate my journey now. Let's see. It looks like I need to do a Yui. I'll take rice. Rice will help me. So, I got the Windmill Rest Area. It was fantastic. Doug and one of his daughters, Stephanie, motored by, said, throw your bike in the